Here we have the Hydra streaming kit from Svive. This is a budget-friendly entry-level microphone. I will unbox it, assemble it, and give you my first impressions of it. Regarding a sound test, I'm using the mic right now. This is the raw unfiltered input recorded in Audacity. The kit comes in a clean black cardboard box with some images of its content, descriptions of its features, and properties printed on the sides. The microphone is a condenser type with 16mm capsule and a plated membrane. The polar pattern is cardioid, which makes it more sensitive at its front than at its back. This makes it less prone to pick up sounds from your keyboard, given that you place your mic between you and your keyboard. Alright, let's open up this box. First, I find the windscreen cap. Next up is the pop filter. It has a flexible arm, a clamp, and a filter. We move on to the boom arm. Here on top goes the shock mount. You can also remove this adapter if you want the boom arm to hold something with the universal connector. I'll leave it on. I like that it's heavy, it feels robust. And this pin goes into the table clamp. The next item is the USB cable. It is 2.5 meters and carries both data and power. It is a USB 2.0 type A to B. Let me just wind this up. What the f? Who cares about cables anyway? The next item is the table clamp. It holds the boom arm and clamps to the table. Now it's time for the shock mount. It suspends the microphone in rubber bands to reduce the noise from vibrations in the arm. We have some clamps to facilitate installation. And this is where the shock mount goes onto the boom arm. Last but not least, the microphone. I think it looks nice with its matte black finish. Also, it's heavier than I expected, which feels premium, even though I know it's not. Here at the bottom is where you connect the USB cable. Alright, let's assemble this kit. While assembling this mic, I thought I'd run through the specs. Regarding the frequency response, it's stated as 30 to 16,000 Hz in the instruction set, but 50 to 16,000 on the website. The same goes for the signal to noise ratio, which is stated as 70 decibel in the instruction set, but only 59 on the website. I don't know what's up there. The sensitivity is minus 38 decibels, plus minus 3. The maximum sound pressure level is 120 decibels. The mic has a sampling rate of 192 kHz with a bit depth of 24. The mic also has a built-in sound card, so it does not necessarily put any audio processing load onto your hardware. Svive does not offer any software to control the mic. It would be fun to have some filters to mess around with, but there's nothing I genuinely miss. And seriously, it may be too much to ask for given the price point. The streaming kit is plug and play for both Windows and Mac OS, which means you can just plug it in and choose as input device in your application. Very convenient. When recording this voiceover, I placed the pop filter 15 cm away from the microphone and talked directly into the filter. That is about 6 inches. Okay, so what are my impressions of this mic? Regarding its sound quality, I think it's pretty good. But this is also my first mic, so I don't have a lot of references. I've had positive feedback from people I've talked to. And let me remind you that this voiceover is recorded using this mic, without any filters or effects. No noise reduction, no compression, no equalizer and so on. What do you think about the sound? Let me know in the comments below. Regarding the aesthetics, I really like the looks of it. It has a clean black minimalistic design with a fine matte finish. I can't help to get this premium feeling, even though I know it's not. And the heaviness of both the mic and arm adds to this feeling. Regarding its ease of use, it's been super simple due to its plug-and-play compatibility. The only time it has not worked has been in Discord, but a quick restart of the app solves the problem. I have not noticed this behavior in any other communications app, such as Teams or Zoom. Regarding its features, there is no included software. Also, there are no physical buttons on the mic for any settings such as gain control or mute. This can only be controlled by your OS or the app you're running. Regarding its price, I think you get a lot of hardware for your money. Certainly a good value deal for entry-level equipment. This was my unboxing video of the Hydra streaming kit from Svive. I hope it gave you some clarity on whether this mic is for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about the sound. Have a good one.